Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to study Geometry, Unit 2, Geometric Foundations, Constructions and Proofs. The standard for today's lesson is G.GSR.4, establish facts between angle relations and generate valid arguments to defend established facts. Prove theorems and solve geometric problems involving lines and angles to model and explain real-life phenomena. G.GSR 4.1 use the undefined notions of a point, line, line segment, plane, distance along a line segment, and a distance around a circular arc to develop and use precise definitions and symbolic notations to prove theorems and solve geometric problems. The learning target for today's lesson is use defined terms and undefined terms. Success criteria is I can describe a point, line, and a plane. I can define and name segments and rays. The key vocabulary terms are postulate, axiom, coordinate, distance between 2 points, construction, congruent segments. Students, we have 5 minutes for the bell ringer. Find the product, multiply the binomials with the binomial. So take a 5 minutes and complete this task. We are going to explore using undefined terms. In geometry, the words point, line, and plane are undefined terms. These words do not have formal definitions, but there is agreement about what they mean. Let's learn the definition of undefined terms. Point, a point has no dimension. A dot represents a point. So it is named as point A or dot A. And a line has one dimension. It is represented by a line with two arrowheads, but it extends without end. Through any 2 points, that is exactly one line, you can use any 2 points on a line to name it. So the line is represented by either AB or BA or the line L. And the plane has 2 dimensions. It is represented by a shape that looks like a floor or a wall. These are the examples of a plane, but it extends without end. Through any 3 points not on the same line, there is exactly one plane. You can use 3 points that are not on all the same line to name a plane. And we are going to learn about some defined terms, that is segment and ray. The diagrams below use the points A and B parts of the line AB. Segment. A line segment or segment is a part of a line that consists of 2 endpoints and all points of the line between the endpoints. Like you have an endpoint A and endpoint B. And it is denoted by, you write AB and a single line on top of AB, or segment BA, a plain line on a BA. A ray is a part of a line that consists of an endpoints and all points of the line on one side of the endpoint. The 2 rays. So the endpoints, in a ray you have one endpoint and an arrow. So it is represented by a ray AB or AB and a line with one-sided arrow. Opposite rays. 2 rays that have the same endpoints and form a line are opposite rays. Let's watch a video on an intro to points, lines, line segments, and ray.
Build a website you love.
Now a point is a location, a position. We use a dot to represent a point, and then a capital letter to name a point. So for example, we have point A. Now when it comes to points, they don't have any signs. They're used again to show a location, a position. So let's put a point as a location. Next, let's move on to lines. Now, a line goes over in both directions. So literally, lines stop opening in both directions. So let's put goes points for and we will go into naming line segments in another section. Lastly, we have arrays. Now, an array has an endpoint and then goes on forever in right direction. So it extends infinitely in right direction. And I always like to think of an array like a line of sunshine. The sun is the endpoint and then the mill goes to there. So endpoint and then goes in forever in right direction. So for let's put right endpoint and goes and for our example, we have an array in L. The endpoint is E, and then the mill goes in one direction very close to A. And again, we will go through how to name these in another section. So there you have it. These are basic intro arrays.
It's my last.
Hi. After watching this video, please log into the class link, type Lumio in the search bar, type the class code 919100, then start the practice problems in work session. Let's move on. Hi students. So you have to work on the Lumio, and when you complete your work, you have to hit on done so that your work is visible to me and I can keep it as an evidence that you had work in the Lumio, okay? So tell whether a point or line best describes each object. So you need to tell me what each one look like. Is it a plane? Is it a point? Or is it a line? So the examples are given to you. You need to mention if it is a point, line, or a plane. A tabletop, the tip of a pencil, the edge of a piece of a paper, the cover of a book, and the toothpick. Example 2, you can name everyday objects to represent a point, line, and a plane. And example 3, there is a picture given to you. So in this plane, they have mentioned few lines. So you have to find out, name 3 collinear points. You have to name 3 coplanar points, name 4 non-coplanar points, name 3 lines, name a plane. Okay. And you can take 10 minutes to do this activity. So let's go and start on Lumio. Thank you so much, guys. I can see your work here. Very good. It's a plane, and tip of a pencil is a point, edge of a piece of a paper is a point, cover of a book is a plane, a toothpick is a point. Very good. And you have given some examples. I can see your work and the collinear points you have mentioned. Very nice. Super. I can see one more student's work, Sharnaya. Very good, Sharnaya. Very good. I'm so impressed. Thank you so much for giving me your work. So I can see your work. Now we will move on to the next slide where give all the names of the figures below. You just have to name what does it mean. The figures are given to you. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to do this activity. Then I'm going to go back and check your work on Lumio. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, thank you so much, Vincent. I can see your work here. Okay, that's a line, and there's a line segment. It's a ray, point, line. That's right. Vincent, I want you to all write the name of the line, that is RT, and put a line on above it with the 2 arrows to mention it. And the other name of RT is TR. And same thing, you put a line and 2 arrows on top of RT. Okay. And you wrote all the correct, but I want you to name the figures too. Okay. So the line segment PQ, and you have to write a simple line on PQ. For the ray, you put a line and arrow on one side. So I want you to name the figures. Okay. Thank you so much for. Okay, guys, thank you so much for everybody's work. I can see some of you have written the other names with the correct format. Thank you so much. And let's go to the next slide, which says that it's a basic terms practice. Figures are given to you, and it had asked you to find the collinear points, the points which intersects, the point F, what is CD and DC name, and what is CD and DC, name the segment, and there you have some matching points too. Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you so much. I can see your work, guys. Let me open Andrew's work and see. A, B, F are collinear. A, B, F. F is outside point, so it's not. Okay, very good. It's false. Line L and P intersect as intersect at C. Oh, that's right. That's true. The point F lies in a plane. False. Very good. CD and DC. CD and DC name the same ray. False, because they both look like as opposite rays. CD and DC name the same segment. Yes, they do, because they started one point and ended with 1 point. AB and CD name the same line M. Okay. And the line N lies in the plane P. The line N lies in the plane P, and that's true. Okay. Okay, RSX is G. They are non-collinear. Very good. RST is F, collinear point. That's right. UV and UP are opposite rays. UV and UP. That's right. And P is a point. That's right. V is intersecting point. That's right. Very good. I'm so impressed, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, now once we know how to practice, now we'll do some practice on quizzes, and your code is 862995. Let's go.
Excuse me.
Okay, guys. Shh.
Should I start?
Shh. Start.
I have Adoria, Cameron, Gabriel,
I've done
Erlin, Victoria, Michaela, Moises, Chloe, Matthew. Okay. Should I start? Code is here. Bayground. Bayground.com. Okay, I'm starting now. 1, 2, and 3. Ready? Three, two, one, start. Started? Okay. What happened? Waiting for host.
Nobody said
Are you able to do it? Okay, now you are able to do? Oh, I have this one. Go to the next slide. Okay. Yeah, now you can.
Start.
Okay, I got 15 answers. Should I move? Let's go to the next question.
Next question.
It's a co-planner. I'm sorry. I don't know. No, I didn't do anything. I can see 20 participants. From somewhere they joined. Okay, guys. Next question. Move to next slide. Okay, you need more time? Okay, let's go. Okay. Next. Okay, moving forward. No, okay. I will wait. Let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, next.
Give the diagram which is correct.
Now BD equals
Check the
CB plus CD.
code.
Different rays, opposite sides. CB equals CD. BC plus CD equals BD. It's complete BD, right? You need to add BC plus CD. Okay, let's go. What do you do find AC? Ma'am, can you stop? Ma'am, Maddie, let's go to the next question, everybody. Next question. Given that R is between S and T, RS is 6, TR is 4.5. What is TS? Next question.
So this is the screen recording of the quizz's work.
Okay. Bisect. Bisect means cut. Okay. Next slide. I don't know what's your name. Come here, baby. Change your place. Come here. One, two, three, go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Come here. Yeah. Okay, I'm ending the lesson now. Let's see who won. Okay. So I got okay, Cameron is in first place. Rachel, Minor, Moses, Chloe, and Maddie. Winners for today.
Okay, students, thank you so much for working on Lumio, working on quizzes. Now it's time to wrap up the lesson. So you will work on Canvas to work on exit ticket. There are two questions on Canvas. I gave it as a small quiz. Answer these two questions on the exit ticket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this lesson wonderful. You understood the lesson. Thank you so much.